everybody. Welcome to 54 Nights RV. We're taking a walkthrough of the Keystone Alpine 3701FL.
01?
01. The 3700 is the one with the three-way fridge. This thing is 41 foot 5 inches long. It's 66 gallon freshwater tank. It's not too awful bad. I'd expect something a little bit larger on a fifth wheel this long, but they probably had to keep the weight down. The gross vehicle weight is 16,500 pounds. So you're going to need a hefty truck. I like these steps.
A lot of them are going to those now.
Yeah. This thing has 5 slides on it. Front living design. I like the front living design fifth wheels.
The only downside is there's not as many windows. I mean, the windows aren't as big, as tall, because it's sitting up high, it seems like.
Yeah, that's true. But the front windshield, that's kind of cool.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, this one has a fireplace. The television is on a televator that pops up in front of that front window. You got plenty of seating up here.
Comfortable reclining.
Yeah, of course. We've only seen like 47 of these recliners, and she still can't figure out how to operate them. So
I don't think we ever figured it out. It's got bed there. I think you got a bed on both sides.
Yeah. Ceiling fan over the kitchen area. A lot of storage up here. Of course, fifth wheels typically have quite a bit of storage. A little dinette there on that slide out island. This one has the rear bath, so you don't have any windows looking out over the lake if you're backed up to the lake. And one of Terry's issues with these front living coaches or fifth wheels is that you can't see the TV when you're downstairs cooking. But since I'm the one typically downstairs cooking, it doesn't matter.
That's true.
But there is a spot where you could set one there on that wall. So a little, what is it, 60-40, 80-20 sink there.
We've seen a couple of those recently. We saw the one in the Oklahoma City show like that too.
3-burner cooktop with an oven and a convection microwave. Bathroom, little half bath right there off the kitchen. I don't know. I've got mixed feelings about that. I think it'd be better utilized as a pantry.
Yeah.
That space there.
But then you'd only have the one bath.
Yeah. In a camper, only one bathroom. Oh my gosh.
Well, yeah, no, I agree with you. I'm just saying that's the downside of it if you need to.
And got your little bit of pantry space right here, next to the kitchen table. Not a fan of carpet in campers at all.
Mm-hmm. We've been at some muddy campgrounds.
Yeah. Yeah. Palo Duro Canyon.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking of.
And the shower tile headboard, the appearance, it looks like
a
shower
bathroom.
tile.
Yeah, I agree.
A couple outlets right beside the bed for you. Charging up your phones at night and what have you. Hanging storage there.
Got cute little slides going into the bathroom doors. And look at all that bathroom space.
It is a good sized bathroom.
You could do your makeup and your hair and your taxes right there.
Do I do my makeup or my taxes first?
There's those doors.
Yep.
I think they're pretty. Even if they
are.
don't open, but they're pretty. I like them.
Yeah.
One little window over there above the commode.
A lot of storage in the bathroom area too, so I don't recall what the extra capacity, the carrying capacity on this thing was, but
Was there hookups for washer and dryer? I'm sure there were.
I did not see any on this.
I wonder if that's an option.
Maybe.
Right there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
There we go.
Go figure. Just
so you
because
could
I
have a
didn't see it.
stackable washer and dryer right there if you'd rather.
Yeah.
Glad we could help you out with that.
Mm-hmm. I like those dinettes right there.
I'm not going to fit a big family though.
We don't need no big family.
Some people do. And see how tall the windows are. You're not getting those tall windows when you go into the living room. You're not. I mean, so really, I do like the upper living room, but it's definitely sacrificing a nice view. If you like to go out to the mountains a lot, if you go to the racetrack, that's awesome. But if you go out to the mountains or sit at the lake and you want a big view, I mean, you still have a view. It's just not quite the same. So.
Yeah. Sit outside on the front porch.
Yep.
Out under the awning. Enjoy it out there.
Yep.
That's why we go to the lake, so we hang out outside.
Yeah, but we camp 12 months a year. Sometimes it's too cold or too rainy or too hot.
Yeah.
Or too many bugs.
Mini bugs or mini bugs?
Like Mickey and Minnie. But see, I got Mickey and Minnie
Oh my gosh, really?
on my shirt. You can't see it, but I do. See, there's Mickey and Minnie Mouse. So that mini bugs, yes. No standing while recording.
Yeah. Check out the rest of the content on 54 Nights RV. We're not all walkthroughs. We have other videos, just other RV discussions, our road trips, and adventures out on the lake and in the woods.
We can't show those videos.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
We'll catch you guys down the road.